Hello children, good morning. Welcome to EVS class. Children, in this class we will study about the housing and clothing. Housing, H-O-U-S-I-N-G, housing, and clothing, C-L-O-T-H-I-N-G, clothing. Children, we all need a home to live in. Yes? Yes. It keeps us safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Think children, if we don't have a home, then can be safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. So in order to keep us safe, we all need a home. And children, we can see that there are some animals which also make home to live in. Children, we can see in this picture that we live in such home. But the animals have different kinds of homes. For example, a cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. The dog lives in a kennel. The dog lives in a kennel. And the honey bee, they prepared own home such as called beehives. So we can see there are some animals which make their own home. So why do we need a home? Yes, we need a home to be safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. So we need a home to be safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Spelling for heat, H-E-A-T, heat. Cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain. And wind, W-I-N-D, wind. So we need a home to be safe from heat, cold, rain and wind. Okay children, now we will study about some houses which are made of different materials. So what are those different materials? Yes, people use different things like cement, bricks, stones, wood, sticks, mud, straw and many other things to make houses. So these are some of the things which are used to make houses. So children, we can see here some examples. This is a house made up of bricks and cement. Children, bricks na நம்ம எதை சொல்வோம்? செங்கற்கள். ரெட் கலரில் ரெக்டாங்குலர் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா ஒரு கல், அதை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? பிரிக்ஸ். பிஆர்ஐசிகேஎஸ், பிரிக்ஸ். பிரிக்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் செங்கற்கள். சரிங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், this is a house which is made up of wood, mud and straw. Okay children, we see some examples of the houses which are made up of different materials. Children, long time ago, people used to live in caves. Why we used to live in caves? Yes, because they did not know how to make houses. Yes, children? Yes. So, how to make their own home? They are not knowing about anything in that time. So, that time people used to live in such caves. But as the time passed and passed away, people came to know that how to make houses, and after very long time, people started to making houses of different materials, which we saw just now. Children, again I repeat, the materials which is used to build houses are cement, bricks, stones, wood, sticks, mud, straw and many other things. These are the different types of materials. Okay, now children, we will study about houses which have different types of roof. So the first type of house which we are going to study is people living on plains. Usually make houses with flat roofs. So children, you can, in this picture that we see the flat roof. These houses are made up of flat roofs. So the people living on plains make houses with the flat roofs. So this is the picture of the house which we can see on the plains. What is actually meant by plains? Yes, plains are places that are not hilly. Hilly means located on the mountains. So this is not hilly. Okay children? Children, plains-na சமமாக இருக்க நிலப்பகுதியை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? பிளெயின்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். சரிங்களா? ஹில்ஸ் மவுண்டெயின்ஸ்னால் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? அது வந்து சமமாக இருக்க நிலப்பகுதியை விட கொஞ்சம் உயரமாக இருக்கிறது தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? மவுண்டெயின்ஸ். ஸோ நம்ம பிளெயின்ஸ் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? சமமான நிலப்பகுதி. ஸோ சில்ட்ரன், people living on plains usually make houses with flat roofs. People living on mountains make houses with sloping roofs so that the snow can easily fall off from the roofs. So children, we can see that here is the sloping roofs. So if there will be snow on the roof, it can be easily fall off. So the people while living on mountains make houses with such sloping roofs. Okay children, now the third kind of house is about the people who are living in the places where it rains a lot. So they make houses on slit with the sloping roofs. Now, what is a slit? Yes, a slit is a set of bamboos that support the building so that it is high above the ground or water. So the people living in such places, they make houses on slits with the sloping roofs. So we can see in this picture that is the sloping roofs from where the water can fall. ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப் சில்ட்ரன் ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் சாய்வாக இருக்கக்கூடிய கூரை ரூஃப் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் கூரை சரிங்களா ஸோ சாய்வாக இருக்க கூரையில் மழை விழுந்தாலும் சரி பனி விழுந்தாலும் சரி அது என்ன ஆகும் ஈஸியாக கீழே வந்து விழுந்துடும் இல்லைங்களா ஸோ அதனால தான் ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனில் இல்லைன்னா அதிகமாக மழை பெய்கிற இடத்துல எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா தே ஆர் யூஸ்டு டு பில்ட் எ ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப் அங்கே அந்த ஏரியாவிலலாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்களா ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப் சாய்வாக இருக்க மாதிரியான கூரையை தான் அந்த ஏரியாவில் பில்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க ஓகேங்களா ஓகே சில்ட்ரன் தேர் ஆர் டூ டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் ரூஃப் ஒன் இஸ் ஃப்ளாட் ரூஃப் அண்ட் அனதர் ஒன் இஸ் ஸ்லோப்பிங் ரூஃப் ஃப்ளாட் ரூஃப் அண்ட் ஸ்லோப்பிங் roof. Now children, we will move on the types of houses. People make different types of houses. Like the houses made up of bricks and cement are called Pakka house. For example, we can see in this picture that this is the house which is made up of bricks and cement. So, this is called a Pakka house. Children, Pakka houses means very strong houses. Okay. Second type of houses is the houses which are made of mud and straw are called Kacha house. So we can see that this is the Kacha house. Children, why this is the Kacha house? It is not made up of bricks or cement and it can fall off easily because it is made up of mud and straw. So this is a Kacha house. Children, Kacha house is not a strong house. Compare with Pakka house, Kacha house is not a strong house. So there are two types of houses are there. One is Pakka house and another one is Kacha house. Pakka house na enadhu very strong house சரிங்களா ஏன் அந்த பக்கா ஹவுஸை ஸ்ட்ராங் ஹவுஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா பக்கா ஹவுஸை சிமெண்ட்டு பிரிக்ஸு ஸ்டோன் இதெல்லாம் வச்சு நம்ம பில்ட் பண்ணுறோம் ஆனால் கச்சா ஹவுஸில் என்ன மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி பில்ட் பண்ணுறோம் மட் அண்டு ஸ்ட்ரா மட்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் களிமண் சரிங்களா ஸ்ட்ரா அப்படின்னா கோரை இல்லைன்னா ஏதாவது ட்ரீஸோடைய லீவ்ஸை வச்சு கூட கச்சா ஹவுஸோடைய ரூஃபை மேக் பண்ணுவாங்க சரிங்களா கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது பக்கா ஹவுஸையும் கச்சா ஹவுஸையும் நம்ம கம்பேர் பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது எந்த ஹவுஸ் வந்து லாங் லைஃப் வரும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பக்கா ஹவுஸ் சரிங்களா பிகாஸ் கச்சா ஹவுஸ் ஆர் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் மட் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரா பட் பக்கா ஹவுசஸ் ஆர் மேட் ஆஃப் சிமெண்ட் அண்ட் பிரிக்ஸ் சரிங்களா ஓகே third type of house which we are going to study now are the houses which are made of ice. So the houses which are made up of ice are called igloos. Which are made up of ice are called igloos. So we can see here that these houses are made up of the ice cubes, right? They seem like ice blocks. So igloos are always made in cold region. Igloos are always made in cold region. Eskimos live in igloos. Eskimos live in igloos. Children, some people live at one place for a very short time. Those people who live in one place for a very short period of time is that they keep moving different places. So, they built the houses in a such way that can be easily shifted from one place to another place. Such houses are called temporary house. So, temporary houses are those houses which can be moved from one place to another place and where these people live for a very short time. So we will see some examples of temporary houses. Children, this is a houseboat. A house which is made on a boat. It is a temporary house made of wood and float on water. Some people in Kashmir and Kerala live in houseboats. This is a caravan. Some people live in houses on wheels. Such a house is called a caravan. Here, caravan is also a temporary house. This is a tent. It is also a temporary house. It is made up of canvas clothes and can be fixed anywhere. Children, mostly soldiers make a tent. Children, here tent, caravan and houseboat are temporary house. Children, here temporary house means a houses which can be moved from one place to another is called temporary house. Children, next one is permanent house. Houses which cannot be moved from one place to another are called permanent house. Children, permanent ஹவுஸ்னா ஒரு இடத்திலிருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு நம்மளால் ஒரு ஹவுஸை மூவ் பண்ண முடியாமல் இருக்கிற அந்த மாதிரியான ஹவுஸை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா பெர்மனண்ட் ஹவுஸ். ஆனால் டென்ட்டு, கேரவன், ஹவுஸ் போட்லாம் பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு மூவ் ஆகும். பட் ஹியர் பெர்மனண்ட் ஹவுஸ் கேனாட் பி மூவ்டு. ஓகேங்களா? Bungalows and flats are some examples of permanent houses. Another name for permanent house is Pakka house. Okay children, so today we studied about the houses having different roofs made up of different materials and about types of the houses. I hope children you are all enjoyed the class. Now I am going to do one activity for you. Okay children, let's go. Children, this is very easy activity, so you are also follow with me. Okay? Children, in this activity we need 3 color papers, scissor and gum. Children, I have not given any description, but do follow me by as I am doing, isn't it? Okay. I hope children you have enjoyed this activity. Now we get into book exercise. Children, now we are going to do book exercise. Take page number 57. First pattern, tick the correct option. First question, which of the following statements is not correct about Pakka house? A option, these are strong and last for a long time. B option, these are made of cement, bricks, iron and wood. C option, these are made of mud, straw and bamboo. D option, they can be moved from one place to another. Here they ask statements, plural form. So C and D is the answer for this question. So you should take C option and D option. Okay. Second question. These houses are mostly found in Kashmir and Kerala. Which house is mostly found in Kashmir and Kerala? Yes, options are houseboat, tents, igloos and huts. Yes, answer is houseboats. Number 3. In plains and dry places, houses have sloping roofs, flat roofs, straw, stones. Yes, answer is flat roofs. So you should take B option. Number 4. A good house should have, options are flies and mosquitoes, doors and windows, C lizard and cockroaches, D dust and flies. Yes, answer is doors and windows. Number 5. House which cannot be moved from one place to another is called. Options are temporary house, houseboat, permanent house, igloo. Which house cannot move from one place to another? Yes, answer is permanent house. So you should take C option. Take next page. Second pattern, fill in the blanks. First question, dash houses are made of mud and straw. Yes, answer is Kacha house. K-U-T-C-H-A, Kacha. So Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Question number 2. We should keep our dash neat and clean. Answer is house. H-O-U-S-E, house. We should keep our house neat and clean. Number 3. Caravan is a dash house. Temporary. T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y, temporary. T-E-M-P-O-R-A-R-Y, temporary. Caravan is a temporary house. Number 4. And dash is a house made of snow. Yes, answer is igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. An igloo is a house made of snow. Number 5, the dash roof helps water and snow to slip down easily. Sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G. Sloping. The sloping roof helps water and snow to slip down easily. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.